how to create WeChat account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to go to your Google Play Store. After that, in the search bar you have to tap and search for WeChat. Immediately after searching for it, you'll be able to see this app. So you have to install it in your device, and after installing you have to tap on open. It will be opened as like this, and here we are looking for creating an account. So you have to go for sign up option, which is in the right lower corner. So there are two options where you can sign up via mobile, or you can also sign up via Facebook. So here I am signing up via mobile. After that, you have to enter your name. You can also select the photo, and you have to select the country or region. After selecting, you have to tap on the enter mobile number option, and here you have to enter your mobile number. After entering the mobile number, you have to enter your password. By doing that, you have to tick on the I have read and accept the WeChat terms of service. And by doing that, you have to simply tap on accept and continue. After that, you will be able to see this interface. So here is the privacy policy of WeChat. So you can read this all, and if you accept this, then you can simply click on I have read and accept the above terms over here, and you have to go for next. And see, there's a security verification, so you have to simply go for start. And there will be some of the puzzles to verify that you are not a robot. So you have to simply solve this puzzle and you'll be verified. And once again, after solving the puzzle, a verification code will be sent to your phone number. So you have to check the message box, and from over there you will be able to give the code. So you have to enter the code over here, and by doing that, you can see my WeChat account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create a WeChat account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.